Today we want to talk about why is it good to use templates. So to learn about this, let's create an invitation. Let's write the title. Let's write the text. We have the text. We want to change the size here. Let's change the font. Let's change the font size, unbold, justify, and let's go here and let's create a new style from this selection, and let's name this my invitation text. Okay, so let's change the title of the invitation. Let's create a new style named my invitation title. And here in the footer, let's insert some info. So let's write, for example, our data, John, Washington, DC, the year, and so on, 2020, and maybe some other useful information. Okay, so invitation to party. Okay, let's change a little bit. Let's change the size. Let's center. Also the font style, and let's create a new style named my invitation footnote. Okay, let's change now the format of the page. Let's go here, A4, and we want 65456 Okay, let's see, it's much better. And now let's change here to have some spacing below paragraph, below title. Okay, you can see that. And also let's change the text in the invitation. Let's have, instead of single, let's have 1.5 spacing, so it looks much more nice. So we have this invitation now, and we want to use this invitation many times. So in order to do that, we go to File, Templates, and Save as Template. We enter here my invitation. We choose a category here. So we have invitation, model. We go to my template and save. So if I'm closing that, I don't save. And I open LibreOffice. We have here templates. Okay, in a new okay, so templates, and I have this template here. I can change invitation to John, and I can write anything here. Please, John, come to this party. Okay. Okay, so I can save that. I have this document now. I can save as a normal document. Let's save like 001 to John. I'm closing. And let's go again to templates. I open again the invitation model, and here I can write to any person I want to marry, for example. And I can save also where I need it, to Mary. Okay, I save it, and so on. So it's very easy to create like that to every person I need from a model, as you have seen. Another way to do that is to copy a document, to rename it. For example, let's try another way. Let's rename it 003. Okay, and to change elements from the document, instead of John, let's write to Ellen, and let's remove here, and so on. So this is another way of doing that, in spite of using this model, we can use a copy of the document, existing document. An advantage we have of doing this is we can we have here on the right saved the styles, the invitation title, invitation text, invitation footnote, and very easy we can change the order in the document. So for example, if I want the title to be down there, okay, invitation to John to be here, I have the styles on the right, so I can do whatever I want in this document because I have the styles saved. I cannot do that because it's not a new paragraph, so let's enter a new paragraph here. Let's create a new paragraph, enter here. So now I have this as a new paragraph, and now I can double click, so I have here the title. So this is the advantages of having these styles here in the document. We have also in this model we have saved the margins, we have the model here, the area, and so on. So we can change, for example, we can change to gray, and now for example, this model, if this model is much better, let's insert here again the title, invitation. If I like this gray invitation much more than the previous template, we go here to here, file, template, save as template. We give it a new name, my invitation model 2. Okay, so let's save it, and now let's close this. I don't save, and let's close this recent document. Let's go to templates, and we have invitation white and gray. If I choose gray, okay, very easy, I can change something and create more and more documents. Okay, so a for version for another person, to Albert. Okay, so invitation to Albert is gray now, and I can save it, and so on. So that was all. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more video. Thank you.